Hey everyone, the Logitech G304 X represents a thoughtful evolution of one of Logitech G's most popular wireless gaming mice, building on the strengths of the G304 and G305 while modernizing key aspects that competitive and casual gamers alike have been asking for. At first glance, the mouse looks instantly familiar, retaining the same compact symmetrical shell that made the original so widely adopted. The most significant change lies inside the mouse, where Logitech has replaced the traditional dual A battery with a built-in 290 milliampere-hour lithium battery. This single decision dramatically alters how the G304 X feels in hand. By eliminating the weight and imbalance of a disposable battery, Logitech has reduced the overall weight to roughly 57 grams and redistributed the internal components for a more centered balance. The result is a mouse that feels noticeably quicker and more controlled during rapid flicks, tracking corrections, and extended sessions. Connectivity is another area where G304X takes a clear step forward. It supports dual mode operation, allowing it to run wirelessly via Logitech's updated LIGHTSPEED technology or operate as a wired mouse using a USB-C connection. The latest version of LIGHTSPEED is designed to improve latency and resistance to signal interference, which is particularly beneficial in crowded wireless environments such as LAN events or shared gaming spaces. In practice, the wireless performance feels indistinguishable from a wired connection, delivering consistent responsiveness without random drops or lag. At the heart of the G304X is Logitech's Hero 25K optical sensor, a proven performer that continues to set the standard for efficiency and accuracy. It offers DPI range from 100 up to 25,000, with Logitech planning to unlock 25,600 DPI via a future firmware update in G Hub. Sensor runs at a 1000 Hz polling rate, tracks at speeds over 400 inches per second, and handles up to 40 G of acceleration, making it more than capable for competitive shooters and fast-paced esports titles. Battery life remains a strong advantage despite the move to a built-in cell. On a full charge, the G304X can deliver up to 106 hours of wireless gameplay, which is impressive for a mouse this light. Fast charging further enhances its practicality, with just 10 minutes of charging providing around 11 hours of use. Logitech has also included onboard memory, allowing one default profile to be stored directly on the mouse for use across different systems. Through the Logitech G Hub software, users can create and manage up to 5 profiles, adjusting DPI levels, button assignments, and performance settings to suit different games or workflows. The PTFE Feet provides smooth, consistent glide across a variety of mouse pads, and the primary switches are rated for 20 million clicks, offering reassuring durability over long-term use. Compatibility is broad, with support for Windows 10 and newer versions as well as macOS 12 and above. Logitech also offers the G304X in a range of color options, including black, white, purple, and pink, giving users more freedom to match their setup. Backed by a 2-year limited hardware warranty, the G304X feels like a refined, modern take on a classic design. It delivers meaningful upgrades in weight, balance, connectivity, and battery technology without sacrificing the simplicity and reliability that made the original so popular, making it a compelling choice for anyone seeking a lightweight, high-performance wireless gaming mouse. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.